Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alexandra, and today's makeover is a dark and moody powder room transformation, meaning that I'm gonna actually take a bright powder room and turn it into a dark and moody space. I'm so excited. Thank you so much to Audible for sponsoring today's video. More about them later, but for now, let's get started. So a few months ago, I was on vacation and I was struck with the, inspiration. I was like sitting by the water and I was like, I need to mood board. I need to create something. And I was like, I really want to tackle a space and turn it into like a dark and moody secret garden vibes kind of room. I had this idea in my head. I saw a few inspo images on Pinterest and I was like, yes, I want to do this. So we put out a call out on Instagram asking people to submit their small powder rooms. I wanted to tackle a powder room specifically because I think this dark and moody style really works well in a small space. And we got a ton of submissions, and then Janelle's bathroom popped into my inbox. I was intrigued, especially because her opening line was like, I think my bathroom is made for this project. She had already been thinking about doing a dark and moody style in here anyways. I love the brick of this bathroom and it's very tiny. There's not a lot of room to move around in this bathroom. So I figured maybe I could take on this challenge, not only make it look stylish and beautiful, but also add in some function to it. So this is Janelle and Spencer's home. It is so beautiful. It's in downtown Toronto. It's one of those apartments that you're like, how did they find this place? She found it on Kijiji because I know you guys are gonna ask. And this powder room is one of 2 bathrooms. So there's no shower in here. It's just like a toilet room. And it's within this living room. Look at how beautiful this living room is. Janelle and Spencer are renters, so we can't paint in this space. We can drill small holes into the walls that they can patch up when they leave. And we can also use peel and stick wallpaper, which is exactly what I'm going to do. So I'm gonna sit down at my desk and think out a plan for this small bathroom. Hi friends. So it is day 1 of planning Janelle's makeover. Sometimes I take you behind the scenes of this process, sometimes I don't. Today is a day that I've just decided to, and it's my favorite part of the process, I have to say. Even though I'm working, it doesn't feel like work to me. And it's just a time for me to be really creative. That is why I'm so excited that Audible is sponsoring today's video, because Audible is my go-to when it comes to relaxing and unwinding. And I love to listen to an audiobook while I'm mood boarding. I love using Audible, especially their Plus catalog, because it gives you access to so many audiobooks, podcasts, even meditation, like sleep meditations before you go to sleep. Audible members get 1 credit every month, good for any title in the entire premium selection of bestsellers and new releases to keep forever. They also have full access to the Plus catalog and can listen all they want to thousands of included titles. Right now, I'm listening to 7 Days in June. If you guys have not listened to this book, do so now. It is such a good read. Whether you're into true crime, romance, or want to squeeze in a workout or guided meditation, Audible offers so many options. If you guys are looking for a new book to listen to or want to explore Audible's Plus catalog, head to audible.com/Alexandra Gater or text Alexandra Gater to 500-500 for 1 free audiobook and a 30-day free trial of Audible. So I pop my headphones in, I'm listening to an audiobook, and I am just mood boarding. I love this dark and moody wallpaper. I found this on Etsy. I just think it's so beautiful. Janelle has so many fixtures on her wall, and because this is a small space, I really want to condense the amount of fixtures we have in here on the wall and make sure that everything has a dual purpose. So I found this shelf. They can put hand soap on it, some candles, or some cute styling trinkets, but it also doubles as a towel rod, which is awesome. I found this candle sconce. It's so beautiful. I found this on Facebook Marketplace, so I'm gonna try and snag that. This gorgeous marble toilet roll holder. How fancy. And then I definitely want to thrift a bunch of prints to put behind the toilet on top of the wallpaper. And I kind of want it to look like super eclectic. The busier, the better, but try and find all gold frames. So that's the plan. Time for me to shop, thrift, get this all together, and I will see you guys on makeover day. Today is so exciting because it is our prep day for this makeover. This is the bathroom. It looks way smaller than I remember it being. So we have all the wallpaper. Our friend Graham is helping us today. Alana and I actually have to go travel around looking for things for my kitchen makeover, which is starting next week. So it's nice to have an extra set of hands. We're just prepping by taking off the toilet roll holder. We took the mirror down. I have new plates for these, which is really exciting. We're also gonna take this towel bar down, and then he's gonna start wallpapering this room. I'm gonna do like a little reveal when we open the wallpaper. I know it's gonna be as beautiful as it looked online. I can just tell. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. I don't know if you guys can see all the detail, like, wow. You're smiling under your mask, you can see. Is it AA approved?
Mm-hmm. So good.
Hey, is that Harriet reincarnated? Angel even there? Angie?
No, of course. Just wanted to check. Just wanted to check.
I'm gonna wear it like not have it.
Yeah. This is how level the wall is. AKA not level at all.
Yeah. AKA the wall's actually like that, and that's level.
I've said this before, whenever we're in an old house hanging wallpaper, but the ceilings are always usually very unlevel. Just the walls in general. So that's why I don't ever line it up to the top. There's gonna be a bit of a gap, but that means that the panels are gonna be straight on the wall, which is what you want. You don't want the panels to be wonky, so. Graham has done 2 panels. It looks so good. Alana and I are going ahead to scout some items for my kitchen, which is starting next week. So we're heading out. I can't wait to see it all come together. It looks so good. We're back. It is makeover day. I'm beaming because I am going to reveal the wallpaper to myself. Graham finished up on the prep day. He shut the door behind him, and it's time for me to see what it looks like in the space. I'm so excited. I saw 2 panels go up and I just know it's going to be good. So let's go see what it looks like. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. I knew the wallpaper would look good. I didn't know it would look this good. This is from Etsy, and I just typed in, I think, like dark botanical wallpaper, or maybe I even typed in secret garden, I can't remember. Either way, it will be linked down below. The shop owner's so awesome, and he has artists like actually draw out the designs and then he custom prints them to size. I love using Etsy for wallpaper. There's so much variety and there's so many cool sellers. This is peel and stick. Doesn't look like peel and stick, but it is. So when Janelle and Spencer move, they can just peel it off the wall and no one would know that they had peel and stick wallpaper up here. Though I'm like, who would want to take this down? Am I right? Because almost everything else was thrifted in this bathroom, I felt okay about purchasing this wallpaper because it literally is like the show-stopping piece of this bathroom. Like without it, it just would not look this amazing. So the first thing I'm gonna do, there needs to be some shelving of some sort. The sink is so tiny, but I knew I wanted to get a shelf that doubled as a towel holder. So if you remember in the befores, there was a towel holder here, and I wanted to just like eliminate as many things on the wall as possible because I really wanted this wallpaper to shine. So I found this shelf. I'm just attaching the bar on the bottom so I can decorate it on top and keep a hand towel on the bottom. So functional and stylish. So I went to the thrift store and I just purchased a ton of prints. These are all under like $5. I feel like a lot of the time people go to thrift stores to just thrift art for the frames, but in this bathroom, the more eclectic, the better. We're leading into like the vintage charm of this place, the chandeliers, and I'm just gonna see which ones work and do like a little moment behind the toilet. I also found this on Facebook Marketplace. I have a really pretty candle that I'm gonna put in it. Obviously, they're not gonna light the candle because that's not safe, but it's just great for decoration. Oh, I also have a tip for you guys. So I love all the varying tones of gold. I just want this bathroom to look so eclectic and vintage inspired, but if you're someone who wants your frames or, you know, pieces, thrifted pieces to look all the same gold color, there's something called Rub and Buff that I ordered, but I don't think I'm gonna use it. It's literally just like gold paint almost with a waxy finish. And that way, all of your frames or vintage finds will have the same kind of gold patina to them. So to get the layout right before I start putting picture hooks in the wall, I'm just using printer paper, taping it to the size of the frame. So then I'm gonna hang these on the wall to get the positioning of all the frames right. I love it. It's like you turn the corner and you're like, whoa, there's even more to see. So this is such an easy change that anyone can make to their rental. I am switching out the plates over the light switches to be black. So simple, but can you imagine if there would be white plates here? It's like the first thing you would notice. So now it blends in a bit more with the wallpaper and just looks so much better. Okay, this beautiful light is staying, but we're gonna make a few minor upgrades. So I'm gonna take these jewels off. I don't think they're working with the vibe in here. And the light bulbs are exposed, so I got some really beautiful bulbs that kind of look like candles, and they're a warmer light, so it's just gonna feel more elevated. Okay, goodbye, jewels. Something I always do when I buy light bulbs is I look at the little scale here, and if I want them warmer, it's going to be in like the yellow/orange zone. We don't want them to be like too warm, but I wanted it to replicate the feeling of candles. Okay, ready? Warmer, brighter, the light shining in all its glory. I'm obsessed. Also, I think this is on a dimmer. Yeah. So much better. It's mirror time. So, mirrors in a small bathroom. Game changers, I tell you. I have two to choose from, and I need your help in deciding. Though this isn't like live, so therefore you can't really help me, but hopefully I picked the one that you like best. This one, thrifted find. So over the top in the best way, you know?
Love it.
Carla loves it.
This is my vibe, totally.
And there's this one, which was $40 from Homesense. It doesn't fit, I don't think. I love how it's tall, but it's way too wide. Like it doesn't look right. Well, thank goodness we have two mirrors because yeah, this one's just not gonna work. I spray painted this screw gold to ensure that it stays hidden when I hang the mirror. Are we ready? Oh, it's so beautiful. Yay. We're almost at the end of the makeover. I'm so excited. Also just like proof that a few things can really, really change up a space. I'm just gonna switch out the standard like accessories that usually come with a bathroom. So this toilet paper holder and this toilet bowl cleaner for something way more stylish. I love shopping at Homesense for these things. They always have really, really cute bathroom accessories. And you guys, look, what a difference those little switches made. Now it's time for those finishing touches, my fave part. So for the final finishing touch, I am putting this little washroom sign on the front of the door with a command hook. So everyone's gonna know this is the bathroom. It stands for water closet, if anyone was wondering. Which is a fancy way of saying washroom. Bathroom. Like, how fun. Okay, it's time to go grab Janelle, reveal the space. I'm just gonna go hang out in here for a while. Bye. Okay, are you excited? I'm so excited! Okay, I want you to picture what your powder room looked like before. Do you remember?
Just a blank box.
Blank
Nothing
slate.
in here.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my god. This is amazing!
What the heck? This is awesome!
The wallpaper.
The art, the scones.
And the frames.
This is so cool.
It's such a good mix of like modern and vintage, like respecting the history of the house. Wow, this is so cute!
Thank you all so much.
You're welcome.
This is amazing. Y'all crushed it, eh?
This was so fun seeing how just a few simple changes can make such a big impact and really transform a tiny space. Thank you again to Audible for sponsoring today's video. Make sure you use my link and my code in the description box to start listening to Audible today. As always, I will see you guys next week. Bye.